Now, let me ask you a question. What if we could simply click a button, view a short video, and earn $2? Or what if we could simply leave a like or comment on a video and earn another 50 cents? What if we could accomplish all these basic tasks on your smartphone and spend only a few minutes every day earning real money online? It is possible to withdraw your money by PayPal bank transfer, Bitcoin, Paytm, as well as several more methods. Only a handful of individuals have heard about this new website, and we'll walk you through the process of creating a completely free account that is accessible from anywhere on the globe. And if you continue with us all the way to the end, we'll offer you a unique surprise and bonus that will allow you to earn an additional $50 every day without having to do any work. Now, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Now, it is critical that you pay close attention. This is going to be a completely new website about which no one has heard about. We will tell you the name of the website in any part of this video, so listen carefully and watch till the end to know. I want you to look at this. As you can see, there are essentially 5 distinct methods to earn money on this website. Number 1, you can play games. This earning method is based on playing mobile games you choose. To use this method of monetization, you need to install the game you like and complete a specific task in the game to earn points. For example, reach a certain character level or unlock a feature. Some tasks take several days to complete, however, the more difficult the task is, the more you earn. The app tracks your progress over a specific time depending on the task difficulty. And once you finish the task, your account balance will be automatically charged. Your salary depends on the selected game difficulty level. For each completed task in the game, you will receive as much as the advertiser will pay for meeting the criteria. Number 2, filling out surveys. This is a server-based method of making money. You don't need any additional personal abilities to get started with this method of making money. The time commitment ranges from 5 minutes to an hour, and all you have to do is complete a few short surveys with your own words. They will display only surveys based on your interests and demographics. You only fill in what is the most interesting to you. Number 3, watching videos. All you have to do is watch short 30-second videos that is shown in the opened window. You will be able to open the window immediately after clicking a green Start Watching Video button. Your salary depends on the time spent making money and how many videos you watch. Each video has an assigned number of points you can earn for watching it. For this earning method, you can gain from 1 to 10 points. And number 4, online shopping. This earning method is based on buying products online and testing out free trials. To use this method of earning, you will have to create an account on various online stores. Buy the product for which you want to get your money back. Sometimes you don't have to buy anything. Just create an account on the online store and sign up to try the company's products for free. You will receive the cashback of your purchase directly to your account after completing the required task. Your salary depends on the amount of the product purchased or free sample used. For larger purchases, your cashback amount will be greater. So the website that you will be using to do these methods of earning is called Zareclamy. You can also access this on your Android phone or iPhone just by downloading it from your respective app store. The icon should look like this. So how does this website work? Step number 1. You will need to select a method of earning. More options mean more opportunities for revenue. Choose the most suitable offer for you. Methods of earning are what we have introduced to you on the first part of the video. Step number 2, start earning. Just complete the task given to you, and if you have executed these tasks correctly, then you are paid right away in your account. Step number 3, cashing out. With just one click of a button, you can cash out your earnings immediately. You don't have to handle any technical stuff. The admins at Zareclamy will do it for you. And that's pretty much it. To start earning here, we need to create an account. We will show you how you can create an account for free on this website, so stay tuned. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now, to create an account is super easy. All you have to do is click on the registration button at the top. You can either register with your Google account or Microsoft account. Or if you want to register with a different email address, then you can do that too. And once you complete it, then you can now log in. Just like that, you can start earning immediately. On the dashboard, you can see your estimated earnings on your account. Now, the first thing that you want to do is verify your email using the option right here. It is super simple. Just go to your email inbox and search for the verification email sent by Zereclamy. And once you do that, then you have successfully activated your account and you can start earning. To start earning, just click on the Earn button on the left-hand side of your dashboard. You can see a bunch of methods available today for you to do to earn money. Take note that some of the methods are not available to do as of the moment. But don't worry, some methods are available today and some will be available tomorrow. What they're doing is they are equally distributing the methods of earning among users in this website, so the users all have equal opportunity to earn money here. For example, you want to earn money by doing surveys, so just click on the Earn button below the survey option and just choose a survey that you want to do. Then after you have done that, then you are immediately paid and will be reflected on the estimated earnings section of your dashboard. Another example is earning money by playing games. Just pick any game that you wish to play and take note of the requirements to earn money here. Each game has a mission that you have to do in order to earn money. You can read below the game title, and once you have done the mission, you are immediately paid. We can see here that some methods are only available on mobile devices. This is a very good thing because working on this website gives you flexibility. If you cannot use your computer or laptop, you can download the Zereclamy app and do the task on the app instead. Even if you are out of town or on a vacation, you can still earn money. This is super simple and easy to do. You can start right away if you follow the steps in this video. One bonus website that we'll be showing you so you can earn extra money is Coinbase.com. In this website, you can earn cryptocurrencies and exchange it with real money. All you have to do is go to the website and at the individual steps, select Earn, and you can start earning cryptocurrencies here. All you need to do is just read the article and you are immediately rewarded with cryptocurrencies, which you can convert to real money. Just pick and choose the articles that you want to read, and that is some easy money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.